Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW X1 M35i in Portimao Blue Metallic. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW X1 M35i in Portimao Blue Metallic. I've just pressed unlock on the key, so we've got the headlights on here. I've got the key with me. If I press and hold panic for 1 second, we can get the full pathway lighting, which is the low beams. So that looks sweet. Let me do a lap all the way around the vehicle. And wow, it's getting sunny here in the showroom. Paint looks amazing on this car. So now that we've done that lap, let's take a closer look at all the details. This is the beautiful Portimao Blue Metallic. This is like the default blue for BMW, and for being a non-individual paint color, this paint actually looks so good. So we've got this line here. We've got another line coming off the A-pillar. So 4 lines, rondelle up front and center, one-piece blacked out kidney grille. And we've got the vertical double slats there with the M badging on the driver's side. And we've got this little graphic here. It's interesting. We've also got the front-facing camera. We've got a little bit of a front splitter down here as well, which is sweet. And functional air ducts. And down here, there's even active grille shutters. So that is pretty awesome. I really like the front end on the X1, and those inverted L-shaped headlights look really good. So now that we've had a chance to look at the front, when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 19-inch double spoke 871M wheels in midnight gray burnished with the blue M Sport brake there. So this is a nice 19-inch wheel setup. Because it's the M Performance model, body colored over fenders. We've got a little bit of black here on the rocker panel, but we do have this body colored piece here as well. We've got the M badging on the fender in Canadian market. Black M wing mirrors with the integrated turn signal and side camera. We've got the flush integrated door handles, touch comfort access on the fronts. Down here, M welcome light carpet. We also have the black window surrounds. Rear windows are polarized. Black roof rails, panoramic sunroof up top, and there's your rear quarter with the body colored arch, blue M Sport brake back there, and there's your rear wheel there. We also have the new style antenna. We have this new spoiler here with these little things here that's not on the regular X1 with M Sport. And we've got these beautiful L-shaped taillights back here. We also have the diffuser down here with the quad exhaust tips, and that just looks real good. M35i badging here in chrome. And since I'm back here, I've got the key with me. I could press and hold the tailgate button. There's also a switch here I could press with my hand, but I could also kick my foot underneath the middle so we can get this to open the hands-free way. Once that opens up, we have this cargo cover that can be removed. You just have to undo the strings here. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 grocery bag hangers, 12-volt plug, some illumination, storage space, netted area. If I lift this up, we have carpeted mats in here. There's a little toolkit and lots of extra space. So once you're done with this, there's a button up here we could press to close, another one to close and lock. But we can certainly kick our foot underneath the middle of the car to have this close the hands-free way. So that is awesome. When we come around to the passenger side, you'll find that we have the fuel cap door. It is connected to the central locking system. We have the need here for 93 octane BMW M Recommend Shell V-Power. Counterclockwise 1 click. There's a little spot here to put this. And when you're done, it's just clockwise 1 click. And you just shut the door. Now if I go ahead and open up that rear door, So we have Harman Kardon sound system. We've got some ambient light coming through here. I love this speaker mesh, it's so cool. Window switches, door pockets. These are the black Sensitech seats, or Veganza I guess we'll call them in this one. The headrest can flip up or down. Armrest in the center with cup holders. We have 3 strings, 1, 2, 3. Pulling the strings will have the seats fold down in a 40-20-40 split. So there's 3 strings to pull if you want the full folding flat. And when you lift the seats back up, 1, 2, 3 positions for recline. There's also a center passenger seat belt here. So if it's not being used, there's actually a red button down here that you can, it's hard to see, but it's right there. You can actually use the buckle to press said red button to release it. So once it is released, you can take this off and that will go up into the ceiling, so it's not hanging down, creating an eyesore. It magnetizes up there as well. And we also have some lights, coat hanger handle. There's the sunroof opening. We also have some vents, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, a little storage area. These are the optional winter mats. There's a vent under there as well with some lighting. So that is all really good. So let's shut this door. I got another M door sill down here. M illumination. And let me just open this up. So in the front passenger door area, stitching going across, ambient light, Harman Kardon, window switch, door pockets, full power seat with lumbar, and manual under the thigh extension. Headrest is also manually adjusted in here. On the dash, we've got this aluminum trim, ambient light going across, vent controls. We've got some stitching going along the dash as well, nice soft touch materials. Glove box is down here. We have we got iDrive 9 here on the curved display. Nice little M background there. Down here we've got some vents, max front defrost, rear defrost. There's your wireless charger. Your phone has a little seat belt that goes on there. 2 USB Type-C charging ports, 12-volt plug, and 2 cup holders. There's your gear selector, push start button, 4-way flashers, volume wheel. And if I press this little storage compartment opens up. And down here there's more space. And now that we've had a look at this, let's shut this door and we'll go to the driver's side next. If we approach from the driver's side, let me open up the driver door. So again, the nice stitching going across, memory seats, tailgate release, all 4 window controls, side mirror controls. And over here, another look at those beautiful seats. Look at all the bolstering on the sides there. We have the M steering wheel, so M at 6 o'clock, M tricolor stitching. I love this 6 o'clock spoke as well, looks cool. Red marker at 12 o'clock. We've got the shifters on each side. Head-up display here as well. And let me just jump in here for a second. So I'm just going to press driving settings because I want to show you this. We've got all the self-parking, so automatic back park, front park, parallel park. We have assisted driving plus, so you can do cruise control that mitigates the speed distance to the car in front of you, steers for you, changes lanes for you. You can also do lane guiding with navigation, so if you're using BMW's Nav, the car can start changing lanes for you based on your navigation destination. So that is pretty cool. And also just wanted to show you, we got seat massage on the driver's side. So if I turn that on, it's on for 20 minutes. There's 4 styles of massage. Not exactly sure how they differ, but there's 4 of them at the massage level and the speed. So I'm feeling that right now. It feels great. We've got the garage door openers here. Up top, we also have the interior camera, sunroof controls, SOS, interior lighting. Visor comes down. There's a mirror there with the light, microphones on the ceiling, and handles. So now that we've seen all this, let's open the door. Down here we've got your winter mats, dead pedal, brake, gas. There is your hood release, 2 pulls, 1, 2. So So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift it up. There it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline-4 twin power turbo. We have 312 horsepower, 295 foot-pounds of torque. Nice strut bar going across. Positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal. Washer fluid goes over there. So that looks really sweet. We have 2 latches under a BMW hood. Put your hands on the rondelle and send her down from about halfway. Beauty. All right, so before we conclude the video, I'm gonna just do one more lap all the way around. This car is in the middle of the showroom, so I'm just trying to get all the angles between the cars. And look at the sun hitting that paint on the back of the car. That looks so good. Yeah, Portimao blue is a definite awesome color. I think it's almost underestimated, I think, how nice it looks. And I think it's quickly becoming one of my favorite colors on M2 LCI as well. But look at this, it looks so good. Man. So, how do you like this spec? Let me know in the comments below. This car is available for immediate delivery, so if you're interested, contact me right away. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW X1 M35i in Portimao blue with the black Vaganza interior. I think it's awesome. How do you like the car? If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.